How to create a trading strategy using Forex.com platform. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. In order to create a trading strategy using Forex.com, first of all, you need to define your trading style. And secondly, you need to choose the currency pairs that you are comfortable working with. You can stick to 2 or 3 major pairs like Euro or USD and Pounds or Yen. Next up, you need to set up the charts and indicators. You can head over to the charts of the stocks that you are interested in. In this chart page, you need to add essential indicators. You can even add fundamental filters. For that, you can utilize the chart settings. You can configure everything from here. Next up, you also need to use the economic calendar in order to filter out the risky high volatility times. For setting up the economic calendar, you can go to your account settings and choose this economic calendar option. You can use the filters and time zone and set up your economic calendar. And next strategy is you need to define the entry and exit rules. For that, you need to set up the stop loss and take profit features. You can do so in the charts. Let's say if you want to buy this and select this buy option, you can configure your trade size first. After that, enable the take profit and stop loss features and configure accordingly in your benefits. And all of these strategies, you can use it in your demo account first. So create a demo account and use all these techniques over there without risking real money. So that's how you can create a trading strategy using Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.